You know, they say that God blesses everyone with a talent, but listening to Tenor Saw's unique vocals, God clearly blessed him twice. Clive Bright, popularly known as Tenor Saw, is considered one of the most influential singers of the early digital reggae era. Tenor Saw's distinct vocals quickly made him a star, but as most stars turn out to come from humble beginnings. Tenor Saw was born in Victoria Jubilee Hospital, Kingston, Jamaica. Bright was raised as the fourth of 6 children in the Paneland, Marvally, and Olympic Gardens, before the family settled in Duwini Park. Bright had a religious upbringing and sang in the Seventh-day Adventist Church of God choir in Olympic Gardens. Seeking to make it as a recording artist, Bright approached several Kingston producers. After being rejected by many, George Fang gave the youngster a chance. His first single, Roll Call, was recorded in 1984 for Fang's Powerhouse label on the Queen Majesty Rhythm.
Hey, hey, when the road is called up yonder, I've got to be there, alright. When the road is called up yonder, yes, I want to be there. But when the reading is playing in the dance, I gotta be there, oh Lord. Yes, I gotta be there, Lord, no.
He moved on with his friend Nitty Gritty to work with Sugar Minot's Youth Promotion Sound System and Black Roots Records label, where he created hits Lots of Sign, Pumpkin Belly, Run Come Call Me, and Fever. His most successful single, however, was Ring the Alarm for Winston Riley's Techniques label.
Tell me about Ring the Alarm, because that is the biggest thing happening over here at the moment.
Ring the Alarm.
Yeah, how did that all start?
Well, there was a 4-sound class in Jamaica, right? With Youth Promotion, Jamins, and Arrows International, and Black Scorpio. At that time I was singing on just the sound system. Youth Promotion was my sound, defending Youth Promotion in the competition, right? So through the competition, the other 3 sound, they must get enough people to cheer for them, and yeah, and is that not them never start cheer for Youth Promotion yet? So I say, alright, I can't make them 3 sound come get out our sound and win the competition. We have to win, so I just go backstage now and start think up a quick idea and start think of. So I just say, alright, 4 big sound in a 1 big lawn. Promotion I play, the other 3 keep calm. 4 big sound in a 1 big lawn. Youth promotion I play, the other 3 keep calm. So ring the alarm. I say, alright. I'm gonna just go on stage. I'm just find the rest on stage. And watch the sound man a tremble. Watch the sound man afraid, you know. And I sing it, and from sing it, promotion, the crowd will start cheer for Youth Promotion, and Youth Promotion end up to be the winner in the contest, right? I'm gonna go home that night and get a pen and a paper and just write the song the same night. Write in some more proper words, add to that, and make a song, and then rehearse it, practice it, and the saga that rhythm, and go to the studio and record.
And it became an international hit now.
Internationally.
Yeah, it's big. Did you expect it to be that big? I mean,
yeah, man. Yeah, expect it to be big. I mean, no, you know, really, from the starting night, I'm really saw the people and really go, you know, get into it. I really know it was going to go wide.
All right.
Tenor Saw's success gave him the opportunity to work with King Jammy, where he recorded Pumpkin Belly on a legendary instrumental, the Sling Thing.
This is a song of the old time proverbs, yeah. This is a song of the old time proverbs. Hey, oh what a walk, oh a pumpkin belly. Whoa,
Further hits followed in 1986 with Golden Head, and Minot issued Tenor Saw's debut album, FIFA. Most of the rhythms were digital adaptations of older tunes from the 1960s and the 1970s, usually produced originally by Coxsone Dodd or Duke Reid. By the time the album was released, Tenor Saw had relocated to Miami, joining the Skeng Dong crew, where he recorded Dancehall Feeling and Bad Boys. He recorded No Work on a Sunday for Donovan Germain.
Thank you. Yeah. And this song I'm gonna do for you now, it's called Junker No Work on Sunday. Yeah. Junker say him no work on a Sunday. Him no work on a Sunday. No, hey. Junker say him no work on Sunday. No work on a Sunday. Junker say him no work on Sunday. No work on a Sunday. You kill them all the dog, and you will get your proof. You think I'm lying. You kill them all the dog, and you will get your proof. Hey, Junker said him no work on Sunday. No work on a Sunday. No, him no go work on a Sunday. No, brother Junker no work on a Sunday. Him no go work on a Monday, work on a Tuesday, work on a Wednesday, or even on a Thursday, or a Friday, even on a Saturday. So, him no work on a Sunday, no.
Sadly, in August 1988, he was killed by a motor vehicle in Houston, Texas, with the official cause of death determined as a hit-and-run accident, although other sources insist that he was murdered. He died at the age of 21 years old. Yes, 21 years old. Though his time on earth was short, the prodigy left an indelible mark on reggae. His unique vocals has mesmerized and inspired millions, and his music keeps his memory alive. His catalog might not be the largest, but it just proves quality music will have a larger impact on people's psyche. Stay safe, stay blessed, and thanks for watching.